back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe down below. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nicole and let's get this vlog started. So sorry you guys, I am on my period. Inga is right next to me and I have no makeup on, and this background, I don't know what's going on. I really don't. Okay, anyway, so I just wanted to do a unboxing. So I actually opened it because I was like, okay, I checked my mail, right? And I was like, what the fuck is this? Okay, because it has my name, and I was like, I didn't order anything. And I forgot in 2019 I ordered some rave tickets, and I had the option of getting them completely refunded or just waiting a later time in 2020. But as you guys know, it didn't happen. Ooh, I guess the camera is just kind of falling, I guess. Hold on, let me adjust this. Okay, yeah, I fixed it. Anyway, so I had the opportunity to either get a refund or just wait in a later day in 2020. And actually it is 2021, a whole year later since we've raved, since the panini, and we're here. So I just wanted to show you the goodies. So originally I just bought the VIP tickets, and it was just gonna come in just VIP tickets. Well, because I've held out for so long, they've actually given us extra things. So I just wanted to show you guys. I actually opened it again. Like I said, I opened it and I ripped it, and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna do an unboxing. So this is actually absolutely a raw, like, I just kind of peeked in there and I was like, oh, I gotta vlog this, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, so yeah, this is how it came, and of course it has my name and my address, but we ain't gonna show that on camera, you know, because the stock is. And let me just dump out everything. Okay, it's like a lot of cool shit in there. Okay, so there's nothing in the pouch, and oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna show you. Okay, I don't know what is going on with my hair. Like I said, I have not, like, I'm not gonna even lie to you guys, I have been working from home for the longest time, and I really don't pretty myself up because where am I going, you know what I'm saying? So just bear with me. I'm actually gonna move this glasses up here, that way my hair is out of the way. Perfect. Okay, so ignore this makeupless face. You guys gonna see me in my good times, my bad times, the ugly times, and the sexy times, just saying. But anyway, so it came with this cute little decal of all the Ubbi Dubbi family, and oh my god, I love it. I love the little baby one. It's so cute. I'm probably this is probably for your car, but I'm not gonna put it on my car because yeah. And then it has, okay, so this is like the camping information as well as the wristband info, and it does have like a little thing, like a QR code to scan here, as well as like the name of all the characters of Ubbi Dubbi, and just like some information about it. Like I said, this is like a really raw, like, you know, opening. I didn't even get to look through this really. And then, okay, so this is a $25 merch coupon. So, and there's the stuff. Yeah, I guess we gotta remember to bring that. And these are the bomb, the cool ass fucking VIP tickets. Oh dude, this is so badass. Okay, for those who are watching, don't make the same mistakes as I did. Don't put this on, like, don't adjust this, because once you put it on and you adjust it, you cannot take it off. Just saying. So especially just leave it off of yourself until the rave, and then really you don't even want to pull it all the way through, because once you pull it, you can't, like, there's no turning back. There is no turning back, you know. And this is because they don't want, you know, like, people to just put it on, get inside, go outside to their car, get their friend, bring them in, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's understandable. I love the little, look at the, so cute. Oh, it's upside down for you guys. It's, what's that called? Pac-Man? Like Pac-Man, blocky characters. And then it says the VIP 2-day pass, of course. And I just love the colors. The colors on my colors. And then, of course, it comes with this, another sticker. So it's like a voting sticker. I guess you guys could vote on who you guys want to see. I'm not too sure. Again, I got to do my research. But this is just, I don't know. I'm just looking at everything. And I guess that's what it comes with. It says, register and vote everywhere. Visit us online at rave today. So yeah, and then there's of course the Disco Donnie logo, but it's a sticker. So yeah, and there's that. And then, oh my god, I cannot believe it. Like, they gave us masks, and I was kind of like tripping. I was like, Arturo, I don't have a mask, and now I guess I do. So yeah, I'm actually gonna open it and see it because I want to see the fabric. But I didn't get a pin. I was told I was gonna get some type of pin, which fucking sucks. Whatever, beggars can't be choosers. I dig it. It's actually feels really cheapy. But yeah, it says Ubbi Dubbi on the side. There you go. This is what it looked like. Hey, Ubbi Dubbi, hey. Who's ready to rave? I am. This lady is. Anyway. Ooh, it's actually really thick. Like, it's cheapy made, I feel like, but it's actually really thick. Like, I can't breathe in there. But yeah, I actually really like the length and the look of it. Like, it has this like fold, so that way it covers your chin. And then on the inside you could put like an extra, oh dude, you could put the blunt in there. I'm just joking, guys. I would never do that. But yeah, there you go, man. Rock out. So yeah, that is pretty much it. And then there's one for Arturo, of course, because I got 2 VIP tickets. But yeah, your wristband info. Put on your, do not put on your wristband. See, this is very important. Guys, like, freaking read. I know you excited, and if you were one of those idiots that did like put on the wristband and immediately tightened it, congratulations, you are gonna wear that bitch until the rave, unless you cut it off, and then once you get to the gate, you will have to repay for it, like, or pay for an extra one. It's like, what, I think 25, something stupid, like $25 or some shit like that. Stupid. I actually think it's 50. My friend just like tightened hers. Like, we kind of were in the same situation, but I was able to slide mine off. She couldn't, right? Her and her boyfriend Analito, and they had to like cut them off and then just repurchase them at the gate. I'm pretty sure they paid something like $50. I don't know if it was just for one or for both, but still $50, and you already paid on top. I'm just saying. Anyway, that is all I have to report. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, it is a pleasure to make these vlogs, and I really enjoy you guys checking into my life. I'm so sorry I haven't posted a lot of videos, but the May announcement will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already subscribed and turned on your notifications, you are going to want to do that, because you do not want to miss the May announcement. As well as, if you haven't already followed me on my vlog Instagram, you should definitely go and do that, because I post a lot of content on my Instagram, and you guys just won't want to miss that, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching again. I love you guys. Peace.